Hello guys, today I will show you how to upload a cover photo in LinkedIn. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to www.linkedin.com and log in using your user credentials. After you log in, you're going to see this page. This is the feed page. Here, click on me icon at the top right, then choose view profile. Here, you will see your profile image and the cover image behind your profile. In order to change or upload a cover photo in LinkedIn, click on this camera icon at the top right of this page and choose add a cover image. You can also create a slideshow with the premium plan. So I'm going to simply add a cover image by clicking on that button. Now you can choose these images if you want that is already on this page, or you can click on upload photo. After you click on upload photo, you'll be easily able to choose pictures from your PC's directory. Just navigate to the picture that you want to add as a cover photo in LinkedIn and choose it, then click on open. After you do this, you can easily adjust anyhow you want, crop it, add filters, adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and click on apply. After you do this, you would have successfully uploaded a cover photo in LinkedIn. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.